Potato soup on page 157. Now you're going to need 6 potatoes. Now here's a little tip. I already pre-cut these potatoes, but I wanted to show you a little trick here I learned from my mom. Back then they didn't have plastic sacks. She used newspaper. So you can use newspaper, whatever you want, plastic sacks or whatever you want. But when you peel things like carrots or potatoes or whatever, I just peel mine straight over the trash and just throw them straight in there. But you can peel them on a plastic bag or newspaper and then just roll it up and then throw it away. That is a nifty little trick there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cut your potatoes in quarters, and then you're going to cut them in little cubes, okay? And you want them to be about as close as you can get to all the same size, okay? Then come this way, Dave. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put them in your water right here. I've got 6 potatoes right here, all cubed. Got them. 6 potatoes, looking delicious.
About the same size.
All about the same size.
Yeah.
And we got our potatoes started, okay? So I just stabbed in just like that. Did you see how smoothly that it went in? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. That's the perfect consistency, okay? So then we're going to drain it off. Okay, now if you use dry milk, if you want to use dry milk, you can. Don't drain off the water. Just leave it in there and sprinkle your dry milk in and stir it, okay? If you're going to use, if you're going to use regular milk, drain it off. Now, I have 2 chicken bouillon cubes, and what I do is I put my bouillon in a little bit of water. And usually I pour the boiling water on top of it, and I just poured it out and forgot. So, all right, so what we're going to put in here next is our milk. Yeah, okay. We're going to put our milk in. Then we're going to take cheese. And I just use American cheese. You can use cheddar. You can use cheddar jack, whatever. You can use any flavor you want, really. And then I'm going to sprinkle, because we don't have onion, I'm going to sprinkle some onion salt in here. Onion powder in here, not salt. Salt. Mike loves garlic and everything, so I'm going to add some garlic, even though that's not in the recipe. Okay, so I softened up my chicken bouillon right there.
Ooh,
then I'm going to take a fork and just smash it up. And then you don't get a hard piece. Now you can use chicken stock if you want, of course, but we just use the bouillon for flavoring. Okay.
Amy says
that I cooked up of bacon slices.
Hey, I'm sorry you're tempting me.
And gonna break it all up here, dude. You better keep those hands back.
Please.
Break them all up. Now, if you don't have bacon or you can't afford bacon, what I do is I keep my bacon grease in a jar in the fridge or the freezer, whatever you want to do. And then you can put like 1 or 2 tablespoons of bacon in your potato soup. Okay, so now we're going to...
Ooh, is it done already?
So the potato soup is done. Now, if you want a thicker potato soup, you can add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into a 1/2 cup of water, stir it up, and put it in there, and then thicken it up. That will...
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Amy apparently has never seen it served chunky before.
Yum. I don't know if Tara told you. Actually, it's good, chunky, but she cooks it enough where it's soft, though. It's not like crunchy. Crunchy potatoes are icky. But